Hello friends, today we are going to learn something regarding regression analysis. Also this topic you have learned in your lower standard, but try to understand here this particular chapter logically. Try to understand regression analysis is about regression line. Now what is regression line? Why it is termed as line? Everything will be understanding. Try to understand one simple regression line. It is y on x. It is commonly termed as y on x. How this looks like? It is y is equal to a plus byx into x. Now try to understand what does this mean. Here y is a dependent variable. Why dependent? It is dependent upon x. What is the value of x? Will determine the value of y provided a and byx is known. Is it alright? So it is a dependent variable, but x variable you can assume. So it is independent variable. Is it alright? Now, what does this line says? Is it alright? If you are having an independent value x and you want to estimate, understand the word, it is estimate, it is not an exact answer. If you want to estimate the value of y, then you can use this regression line to determine value of y. Say, x is rainfall in centimeters and y is production in wheat. Now since last 50 years an expert has created a regression line y on x. This year rainfall you are knowing. So what you are knowing is x. You want to estimate production of wheat. What you want to estimate is y. Which line will be useful? Regression line of y on x. Is it an exact answer? Say it is say 5,000 tons. It will be a correct answer? No. But it is an estimate based upon some reliable numbers. So this is an estimate of production of wheat given the rainfall is given. In our example, rainfall will be an independent variable and production of wheat is an dependent variable. Is it all? So you are estimating a dependent variable given independent variable is already given. Is it all right? Now try to understand this. Why this is termed as a regression line? Is it alright? Let me take a very simple answers of a and byx. Say a is 1 and byx is also say byx is 2. Is it alright? Now let us find out value of y given value of x is given. Is it alright? Say x is 1. So it will be 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 plus 1, y will be is equal to 3. If x is 2, what will be y? 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So if x is 3, what will be value of y? 3 into 2, this is 2. So 3 2s are 6, this is 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Is it alright? Now, let us draw a graph. Is it alright? Let me write over here. This is value of x. This is value of y. So, what is value of y up till 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ignore the scale. What is the value of x? 1, 2 and 3. Is it alright? So, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it all right? Let me plot this on graph. Anyone who does not know how to draw a graph is very simple. Find out value of x. This point is known as 1, 3. Is it all right? What is x? 1. What is y? 3. See where this point, y is 3, x is 1. Draw a point over here. Normally it is drawn in circle, but here I have drawn only point. Second, 2, 5. 2, 5. Third, 3, 7. 3, 7. If you will plot n numbers of graph, believe me, n numbers of point, believe me, it will be in straight line. So, this line, sometimes people say to me, sir, this is an equation where there is a line. If you will plot this on a graph, it will be a straight line. So, it is known as a regression line. Is it all right? So, this is a straight line. Now, let us revise. A is known as origin, where the line will origin. Is it all right? Let me take A as 2. Is it all right? Let me find out another answer. If this is 2, this will be 4. If this is, sorry. Say I am drawing the line where A is equal to 2. Is it all right? So, if A is equal to 2, if x is 1, y will be 1 into 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So, y will be 4. Here y will be 6. Here y will be 8. Is it all right? So, how the graph will look like? 1, 4, 2, 6. 3, 7. Try to understand what I have changed. I have taken A is equal to 2. Can I say line is same? Just the origin has changed. It was originating from here or here or here, but it is this line. The origin has changed. So, if you change this figure, this is known as change in origin, or this is known as origin. Is it all right? This, we have done it n numbers of times. It is known as change in scale. What will this determine? Try to understand. Whether line will be this, whether line will be this, whether line will be this, whether line will be, what will be the slope? Are you getting it? What will be the slope? Say, if you change byx, this line will look like this. This line will look like this. Is it all right? So, this is change in scale or slope. This is change in origin. And this full is termed as a regression line. Is it all right? Now, sir, how to find out slope or byx? See, byx is a slope when you are finding out a regression line of y on x. bxy will be slope when you are finding out regression line of x on y. Is it all? That we will be doing. But right now we are full-fledged concentrating on regression line of y on x. Is it all? Let us go with some formulas. First, how to find out slope? How to find out scale? byx. It is nothing but covex y upon sx whole square. Is it all right? Why, sir, in denominator there is standard deviation of x whole square, that is variance of x? Because x is an independent variable. Change in x will determine the slope of y. Is it all right? So, this is a slope of a regression line of y on x. Is it all? Now, we also know r is equal to covex y upon sx into sy. We have done it in correlation. Is it all right? So, can I write down covex y is equal to r into sx into sy? Yes. So, instead of covex y, I am writing r into sx into sy upon, this is byx, sx into sx. Is it all right? This can be cancelled. I can also write down byx is equal to r into sy upon sx. So, I am summarizing two formulas for byx. One is co-xy upon variance of x or standard deviation of x whole square, or byx is equal to r, if the r is available, into sy upon sx. See, many a times the students forget that, sir, what was in numerator, what was in denominator. It is very easy. Byx, y will be in numerator, x will be in denominator. So it goes in sequence. If it is byx, y will be in numerator, x will be in denominator. If it is bxy, next session will be doing, then it will be sx upon sy. So what we have found out is a slope of this regression line, and we are having two formulas for the same. Is it all? Let us find out origin, or a. How to find out origin is very simple. Y bar plus y bar minus byx x bar. That's it all. Slope into x bar minus y bar minus slope into x bar will be nothing but change in origin, or origin of the regression line. Is it all? You can easily find out. There's no other formula. Now again, people forget, sir, when I am finding out x on y, y on x, I forget whether here there is y or x. If you are doing regression line of y on x, y will come first, x will come last. Is it all? Also this will match. This is x, this will be x. Last figure is x, this will be x. Is it all? So these are some ways of remembering the regression line. We have done change in origin, we have done change in scale, and this is a regression line. We also know why now it is termed as line, why this is termed as origin, why this is termed as a scale or scope. This is a dependent variable, this is an independent variable. Various formulas of y on x and x on y. Is it all right? So this is a regression line of y on x. Once again, understand what is regression line of y on x. You are estimating. This is not a pure mathematics that if answer is 5, it will be 5. It is an estimate. Estimate of variable y if x is already given, and we can find out origin and slope, and once you find out origin and slope, regression line of y on x will be very simple. This was a regression line of y on x, and in next session we'll be doing regression line of x on y. Thank you, friends.